So, good day everyone, especially to our beloved instructor in General Chemistry, Ma'am Mercy Ratunel. Ma'am, good day. So, first, we will talk about the development of the Scientific Crime Laboratory in the Philippines. So, in June of 1972, the Crime Laboratory was established through the directive issued by the Philippine National Police Commission Chairman Crispin H.D. Castro. And also training courses in various fields in forensic science were also offered to students and would-be investigators in the Philippine National Constabulary and the National Police and the Integrated National Police rather. For the continuation, on August 1975, pursuant to Presidential Decree 765 and the headquarters of the Philippine Constabulary or the Integrated National Police Staff Memorandum number 20, date on June 8, 1976, and the personnel of the Crime Laboratory of the Academic Division of the Integrated National Police Academy were placed under the responsibility of the Integrated National Police Training Center. And in the preceding years, on October 1991, the Crime Laboratory was being transferred to Camp Mariano, Castañeda, and Silang, Cavite, pursuant to Republic Act 6975. October 1, 1993, it was revitalized and served as a training division of the National Police College. On November 3 of the following years, the DILG or the Department of Interior and Local Government serial number 9328 issued and signed by the Secretary Rafael M. Alunan III caused the activation and transfer of Educational and Training Center under and control of the supervision of the Philippine Public Safety College. So that was my brief explanation about the development of Scientific Crime Laboratory in the Philippines. And now, I will give just a little opinion. When I hear Scientific Crime Laboratory, the first thing that pops into my mind is that literally examining the evidence coming from criminal cases. And also these labs are generally used forensic science to examine evidence. And after the examination, they provide reports and opinion testimony, and that testimony and reports are presented before the court of law. And the next question is values to be observed inside the laboratory. Actually, there are many values that must be applied inside the laboratory, but let us be specific, especially when the researcher or the students are already inside in the laboratory. They are given the chance or an opportunity to identify, to know what is the usage, the purpose of that equipment. And after familiarizing all the equipment inside the laboratory, all the students, researchers is mandated to observe first from the experts or who are in charge inside the lab, in order to avoid danger, risk, or hazard, and also not to destroy the equipment. And lastly, the system of units like system prefixes, British English units and symbol, metric English equivalent with mass, volume, area, and time. Metric system is organized to indicate names, and like for example, the zero are added the values of tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and etc. As I observe, metric system are used to indicate value. Therefore, I conclude that metric system prefixes provides a simple way to understand what each unit of measurement stands for in metric system. And in British English units and symbol, I will give an example. Units, hundredweight. The symbol is CWT. And the equivalent of the same symbol is 16 pounds or 0.05. So, that's it. Here comes with the metric system and symbol. Like millimeter, the symbol is mm. Millimeter, the symbol is m. The kilometer, the symbol is km. The milligram, the symbol is mg, and so on and so on. And lastly, the metric English equivalent. First is length. 1,000 millimeters is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. And in mass, metric system units, symbol and number: kilogram, kg, number 1,000, and hectogram, hg, and the number is 100. The decagram, the symbol is dag and the number is 10, and the gram is, the symbol is g and the number is 1. And in area, 1 square root ft squared equals 144 square inches, and another is 1 square yard or yd squared equals 9 square feet. And in volume, 1 cubic foot or ft cube equals 1,728 cubic inches. Another example, 1 cubic yard or yd cube equals 27 cubic feet. And in time, 1 millisecond equals 1,000 microseconds. 1 second equals 1,000 milliseconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 1 year equals to 365 days. And banking year is 365 days. So, to sum it all, it is very important to learn, especially in our daily lives. So, keep safe everyone. God bless.